Let me get to, I think it's Barrett.
Barrett?
Yeah.
It's like in that corner over there.
Like in that corner? What do you mean?
Yeah, like if you walk all the way down,
okay.
Palm Walk, and turn left. Okay,
thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey, brother. Sorry, we're just making a silly YouTube video called like making noises mid-conversation. Yeah. Is it cool if you're in that?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks, man. Good luck out there in the world. Hey, do you know how to get to the Sonora building?
I have no idea, honestly.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Did you ever take chemistry?
I took chemistry, but it was in the Hayden Library.
Okay. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. You can Google it.
What?
You can Google it.
Oh.
You'll find it.
Okay.
Or I think there's a map.
Okay.
There's a map on that board right there.
Oh.
See it?
Yeah, here. Thank you. What's your name?
Kat. What's
Steven.
your name?
Steven. I don't have a cool name like that. Where is it?
You're looking for Sonora?
Yes.
So Sonora says 8.
AF. Like you're
so
hot AF.
Find a number 8.
8? Oh, 8.
And then Sonora says SCD. So, you okay?
Yeah. You're the nicest person in the world. I'm so sorry. I'm making a silly YouTube video. It was like making strange noises mid-conversation, but I was looking at you and you're just so nice, and I just couldn't even compose it. So I tried to like keep it going, and it's still just too nice. I'm sorry. Is it cool if we use that for the video?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. I love you. You live in Arizona?
I do.
Are you single?
I am.
Fuck, me too. I should get your email.
My email.
Yeah,
okay.
or your phone number works too. Kat, like with a K?
With a K.
Fuck yeah, that's awesome. What do you do for fun?
Well, not a whole lot because I'm in school.
Yeah, feel that noise. I would say me too, but I'm not.
Well, hopefully you find where you're going.
Thanks, me too. See ya. Hey, Susie, sorry. We're making a fun YouTube video, like making weird noises mid-conversation. That was awesome. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
That's a real
Wait,
one.
It's recording.
Right there. Is it cool if we use that? Thank you for the bagel advice, by the way.
Yeah,
I will
totally.
actually go
I
get
mean,
one.
do you want some? Like, I mean, there's the ad. That's
I couldn't
totally
possibly. What's your name?
I'm Bronte.
Steve. What is your name?
Bronte.
That's so cool.
Thanks.
Steven.
It was a birthday present.
Heck yeah. My Steven Schapiro, so if you YouTube it, you'll...
Okay, cool. Yeah, are you like a big YouTuber? Or
7 subscribers.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, good luck with
But
that.
hey, thanks. See ya. Oh, God. It's just fucking dead. No, I'm kidding. Sorry. I need to stop drinking coffee. Everyone's... Oh, God. Did you hear that? Oh, God. Hey, excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Do you know how... Sorry guys, I'm just fucking with you. We're making a fun YouTube video. Is it cool if we use that for the video?
Alright.
Thanks guys. Yeah, you too, man. See ya. This is the most awkward. Hey dude. Sorry, we're just making a fun YouTube video called like making weird noises mid-conversation.
No problem.
Is it cool if you're in that?
Yeah, it's fun.
Thanks man. Take care. Hey, excuse me guys. Sorry, we're just making a fun YouTube video, or like making weird noises mid-conversation. Sorry to bother you guys.
Oh, no, that's cool.
Thanks.
Yeah, follow.
Thanks.
Later, Chief.
You too.